Facebook has a long history of expanding its features to emulate major competitors. Now it's taking on platform of the moment Zoom. The tech giant is creating a new video conference version of its messenger app called Messenger Rooms. The new service will allow users to host a meeting with up to 50 people at once with no time limit. It's important to know that Zoom's free version allows up to 100 people together, but for a maximum of 40 minutes. Facebook users can invite people to Messenger Rooms even if they don't have Facebook accounts. The use of video calling services has exploded in recent months, as the coronavirus outbreak forces people around the world to work and socialize from home. The company said Messenger Rooms will feature AI-enabled virtual backgrounds. But Facebook's backgrounds will span 360 degrees, which Zuckerberg boasted will take the experience to the next level. Rooms can currently be accessed through the Messenger app or the main Facebook platform, but will soon be added to the company's other applications, including Instagram and WhatsApp. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more content.